Hey everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. This is going to be a really quick video. I'm just choosing the winner from our Ellen Villa launch video that I did last week, where we launched 3 styles, like, flash, and estate. And I asked people to leave in the comments the wig that they would like to win, should they win the raffle, and the color they'd like it in. Okay, so let's get started. Using the random comment picker, I chose filter duplicate users, so it's 1 comment per person, 1 winner, and I am solving the math equation. My math degree comes in handy. And I'm getting the YouTube comments, and it says we have 200 unique comments. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over and click the start button. And let's see who we have as a winner here. And the winner is Diane Faulkner 1172. Congratulations, Diane. She said she would choose like, which is the wig I'm wearing. Diane, we're going to send you an email so you can specify which color you'd like to get as well. And thank you to everybody who watched the video and who entered the raffle. There will be more, so stay tuned for that. And have a great day, everybody. I'll see you soon.